Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the relay for the engine starter, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, how to get to it, and if you need to buy one, we'll explain where you can get it from and how to test the relay so you don't waste your money on a new relay. Now, something else guys, if your engine starter still does not work, we'll explain what else could cause that, so make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. So specifically guys, this is a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we have and that we'll be working on. So now let's talk about that now. Right here is the fuse box. You can see it's open, but usually it will be closed like that. When it's closed, how do you open it? You have one tab here, one there, you squish towards each other, you pull up, put it on the side. I'll put it in that angle so I don't get glare in the camera. And right here you can see those are the fuse numbers and relays, and they correspond to what we have specifically here guys. The starter relay, it's known as relay 27 guys. We're talking about that relay right here. That's the relay that you need to check for the engine starter, 7228B3. If you guys want to see where you can buy replacement relay from, we'll put the link in the description of the video below and you can get them for a really good price. Also, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test relays. It's very easy, and how to test fuses as well, because when you test a relay you can find out easily if it's good or bad, and you will be able to find out if you need to replace it or not. So always guys, test them to see if that's causing the problem. Now if the starter is still not working, we'll have a special video that explains how to replace starter and how to test starter on Dodge Challenger as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.